beautiful people. Hi guys, how are you doing? It's your girl Brenda again. I'm here, my good people. Oh my goodness, your girl with nature. Oh my god, I'm here again with another episode. My goodness, I'm gonna bring you something interesting in my video. Kindly, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know how to give you a thank you for supporting my content. Continue supporting your girl. I'm here to bring you episode after episode, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna bring you something so good, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm in a certain place. I've been hearing people talking about this place for the longest. Since I came here, I've been hearing people talking about this place, guys, and today I decided that I be here to bring you the content of this place. It's a certain field, very silent, nobody's there. In fact, it's like I'm risking, guys. Oh my gosh, imagine I'm alone. Oh my god, like I left my friend somewhere. Alichoka mapema na akaogopa. By the way, it's somewhere very scary, guys, but you know, I have to do it for you guys because you know I love you. Please, if you're new here, support your girl. Road to 500 subscribers for now. It's a good move for us. So guys, stay tuned as you go through this place. I'm gonna introduce you for the best. So guys, oh my goodness, the place I am in, guys, let me tell you, nobody's there. I'm risking, by the way. In place Nico, oh my goodness, trust me, nobody's there. Hata huwezi jua kama kuna mtu amejificha. Oh my god, people, na ukipata watu wakiwa huko, I don't know, guys, I'm in a place very risky. Oh my god, it is so tough for me. I don't know what I should do, but this is content for my viewers. People can subscribe. Imagine we're just here to make you happy, guys. I'm walking around. I know people, I just want you, like, I'm naturalizing you with the nature. Ndo mjuange kutembea ndio kuzuri. So I'm here walking around. Ni mama, I'm in a certain place. To feel too flani. I don't know which field is this. I've just been hearing watu wakisemanga there is a field iko huko. So today I've told myself we have to go with my viewers. So guys, let's go together. Tuangalie what we are going to meet next. You know guys, this place is so silent. Nobody's there. That is what is making me to be so scared. It is so scary, guys. And you know it is bushy. I don't know how I can explain it to you. Oh my goodness. Here, there is a whole... Look at this. Look at that, guys. Tell me how I should pass here. Oh my goodness. You're just going to bear with me with everything. Ndio tutembea haraka na nyinyi. Let's just go together. Okay, love you guys. Please, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Continue blessing my channel, and I love you so much. May God bless you. Thank you for being with me in my content. This is for you guys, and I love you so much. So this place is very silent. Can you look at that place? Nobody. Oh my god. And Brenda is here, just walking around confidently. And a girl child. Tell me, guys, am I risky? Am I risky? Am I risky, guys? No, I'm not. It is just for you because I love you guys. So, oh my god, this is just absolutely so. For the first time naona bike moja. Unaiona? There is a bike moja imepita. Oh my god. Shit. Let's just go. And I know it's very bushy, guys. Can you look at that? Look at that. Very bushy. Like ukipara place. Oh my god, camera mkono uchoka. It is very bushy, as you can see. Very bushy, guys. Very bushy. But your girl wants to surprise you. You know, we should walk and know the nature, right? This is the content for my viewers. Oh my goodness. And I wonder, people, imagine I'm here, there are no people, but kuna manyumba. Is it not surprising? It is surprising, right? Kuna manyumba na kuna watu. Like, unaona place na head, I can see naona manyumba, by the way. and sijui nipite na nyuma guys, so that you see what I'm meaning. What is really surprising me guys ni mashamba ya watu. Je, iko na wenyewe? Haina wenyewe? Because you know guys, unajua na shanga. It is so big, a field, literally a field. Nyasi hakuna. But people, unajua mimi nashangaa huku mbona. There is something unique about this place. Imagine Maasai cows are here. Now tell me guys, Maasai cows are here. Guys, what does it mean? Kwani Maasai tuliamua kabisa tunazunguka hii Kenya? Because Maasai cows are literally everywhere here. My goodness. Oh my God. I want you to see that guys. I don't know whether my camera is doing justice by the way. I hope you could be here. I love to do place. The funniest thing about this place ni the funniest thing about this place, jua ni kwingi, but so people. Alafu najua the one most exciting thing about this place, unaona nikienda place kuna manyumba pale, I don't know if you see some houses somewhere there, nikidogo hakuna hata upepo hata kidogo, but immediately you're here, ile upepo unasikia unashangaa, what is the problem? So guys, tell me what you have in mind in the comment section, okay? I need your support. Anything for you, my viewers. Anywhere you want me to go, tell me in the comment section. I will go there. Very, very sunny. Very, very hot. Guys, let me tell you, guys, we have a story. There's some people there guys, they wanatuchokoza. Amesema tunavalia nguo ya kulala. Oh my God. Okay guys, we have a story for you. Unajua jana we were walking. Sasa unajua like ile intense thing yenye uko una expect kama wacha maumbo azikuje. Oh my goodness, kidogo roho yangu mimi simame. Alafu unajua like usha feel unashtuka and you don't know where to go. Even ndo tulikuwa na experience jana. Tulikuwa tunasikia tunakimbia wapi? Oh my God. That is a bad experience. Oh my goodness. It is very hot, very tough. Now imagine tunatembea, walking around, content for my people. Oh my God. Na tukutembea na maji. Na tuko kwa field. Hatuna mbio ya maisha. How do you mean guys? This is all for you. Anything you want in the comment section, say it, give a shout out. We're gonna do it for you. I love you all. Continue watching. Guys, finally we are out. Here is the friend niliwaambia alipotelea mahali, ndio huyu hapa. Ndio anajitokelezea sasa wakati tumefika sasa kwenye watu wako, ndo msichana anajitokeza anasema mimi singetaka nikufe. You know my friend always, unajua she's always complaining. No guys, this girl always complains, anasema me like working a lot na eti simpati details tunaenda wapi, eti finally na end up namchukua mbali. No guys, ukitembea na mkale tunakimbianga 42 kilometers. Hebu mumwambie 42 kilometers ni yetu na tunakimbia na tunamaliza in 2 hours. Hebu mumwambie. So guys, finally with that episode, thank you so much for watching up to this far. My goodness, I love you so much.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
What you think in the comment section. My goodness,
thumbs up guys.
Tell us what you think in the comment section. Unaona sasa tumeanza kuangalia watu ndio wao wanapita pita. So guys, tuna finalize, tunamaliza. Thank you so much for watching my video. Continue subscribing. My goodness, share, may a friend give to a friend my link, and let us all celebrate the goodness we have. She has a channel. Go subscribe to her channel. Ni Lynn Mwango YouTube channel. Go subscribe to her channel. Any video there, please can you go and watch her videos.
Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lynn_Mwango.
Follow me on Instagram. Najita Tina Shetonoi for her. Lynn___ Mwango. And guys, thank you so much for watching. All I have to say for now is bye bye.